So okay, this fridge actually all controlled by freezer lah. All controlled by freezer below. You see on top nothing one. On top only less this fan the motor fan motor blow the air come out. But this fan before you say very noisy, right?
Noisy, stock, noisy.
But no stuck lah.
Already off first, I already stuck let the thing melt Suddenly okay, but after that come again.
Come again. But this one is really the motor problem.
Motor
No stuck. No stuck. Oh, you see.
Yeah.
But motor problem. We need to change the motor lah. Okay. Nothing one you see on top. All wait for the freezer, the cooling wait for the freezer coming out one. Come out to the on top. You see sometimes it's the fan coming to spoil.
Yeah.
But now totally no noisy stop noisy that means the fan already died. Totally no running lah. The fan motor problem Now new motor already changed this one old one, new one. When you close the door, you were running.
Yeah, correct. The thing was
Then now got sound already. Before no sound.
That time want to spoil when you like you do you take out the thing.
Coming to spoil lah. Then totally spoil, no sound already. Can lah. After you say no coal because the coal inside the coin. He never bring out. Never bring out. That's why coal but no strong because all the coal inside.